Hey everyone, Trent from BoxoUSA, and right here we have our metric and standard combo roll paired with a dry bag. So let's get into it and see what's inside. So as we go and we look through this toolkit, there's going to be a wider range of things. Starting off on my right side, we're going to have needle nose and groove joint pliers, an adjustable wrench, a folding knife, which is super cool because we have a hook or a regular blade. There is going to be metric and standard hex keys, slotted and Phillips screwdrivers, diagonal cutting pliers, as well as a circuit tester and electrical strippers and crimpers, a nice dead blow hammer, our 92 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 drive extension, as well as our 1/2-inch breaker bar. So now as we go into the sockets, you'll see first off there's some electrical tape, but then there's also going to be a nice array of metric to standard sockets. Our metric is going to be ranging from 6mm all the way up to 21mm with necessary sizes in between, and then our quarter all the way up to 1 7/16 inches. As well, there's going to be spark plug sockets, a swivel, and then an extension. Now, pairing just like the sockets, we do have metric and standard wrenches. Our metric wrenches are going to go all the way from 6 to 21mm, and then our standard wrenches are going to go all the way down from 1/4 up to 7/8. Last but definitely not least is the empty pouch. This empty pouch is going to be for any of those tools that maybe we don't have in this kit, or the specialty items that you'd like to add in and still have a place to keep secure and organized. And that wraps it up for the metric and standard combo tool roll. So something nice about Boxo as well is that we have a lifetime warranty on all of our products. Whether it's the contents of this kit, the slides on a toolbox, or anything in between, it's super easy to get a replacement. All you need to do is just email us a picture of your broken tool or item, and then we'll send you out that replacement. It's super fast, and we try and make it as hassle-free as possible. So go online, BoxoUSA.com, and check it out.